Hi guys, just want to do a review on this Bubble Rockets light up spinning bubble machine by Bubble Fun. As you can see, we're already getting a lot of enjoyment out of it. Our daughter's been playing with it non-stop. We went through a couple little bubble containers, but this is what we bought it for. She's already gotten a few hours of enjoyment of it, and this is what it's all for. It's made very good. The quality is very good. Very easy setup. Just takes batteries, 4 AA's which aren't included. But as you can see, it has the noises, and the bubbles come out really good. They don't clog up, and it comes out a lot. So yeah, I would definitely recommend if you're looking for some outdoor fun for your kids. They're gonna get a lot of fun and enjoyment out of it. So yeah, thank you. Go, get him. Yeah.